Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got some callaloo from S Delicious, and I've used some of it, the majority of it, and I deliberately leave some over to make something with it. So I was just thinking what to make with this leftover callaloo, and as you can see, what I have here: peppers, eggs, and cheese. And I'm just going to use this leftover callaloo to whip up a nice, delicious, can be breakfast, you can have it for lunch, or even for dinner, depending on your appetite. But as I go along, you will see what I'll be making. So sit back, trust the process, and enjoy. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut our pepper in half, evenly in half. Just like that. And then we're going to be de-seeding our pepper, meaning we're going to be taking out the seed from the pepper. We want to leave the stem on. So now you can see, just take the seed out, and we're going to be using the depth of the pepper. Now we have two shallots, and we have some baby tomatoes, so we're just going to be cutting our shallots. And this is really quick and easy, and one I'm sure the family will enjoy. And also, if you're on a weight loss journey, it will be very helpful in the process. I use shallots instead of the regular onion because you get a really delicate flavor from the shallots, which you don't get from the regular onion. With the tomato, all I need to do is just cut them in two, just like this. So here I'm adding just a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to be adding a bit of pepper and a bit of salt. Then we're going to smash the eggs in. All of it, just some of the cheese. 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, of milk, of mayonnaise, which is totally optional. A spoon of couscous. We're going to use bulgur wheat, but I rather to use couscous. Then we're going to combine together. Now for each pepper boat, we're going to be adding some of the shallots that we chopped earlier on. That's the chopped shallots. Then we're going to fill it. Make sure it's well stuffed. Process with all of them. Off. And then fill it again. Make sure your pepper is well stuffed. You know, move from the norm and try to create something that is abnormal, and you will really like it. That is how you know you are a recipe developer, when you don't do the everyday thing, you just do something out of the norm. Then the tomatoes on top. This in the air fryer. We're going to be adding a little bit more cheese on top. Then we're going to put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes. 15 minutes in the air fry. Our stuffed pepper is ready, so we're just going to be garnished with some racket salad. It's a plate of racket salad. And I will put in some of my homemade mango sauce on that salad. You know, racket salad have a bit of al dente taste, so you just put a bit of and the salad itself. Then we're going to be placing our peppers on there. How many of this can you eat, guys? So let's put 2 on there. I'm showing you a variety of ways that you can be using this mango sauce. It is so versatile to use in so many different ways. So here it goes, guys. This is my quick and easy callaloo stuffed peppers. Hope you'll be brave enough to give this a try and let me know how yours turn out to be. Until I come again, this is I'm Cooking and More. So thank you for watching and God bless you. And as always, guys, let's enjoy together. You can see that it was cooked right throughout. You can see that. This is so delicious. If anything, it's just burning me because it's a bit hot. So this time I'll have to cool it. And that mango sauce, if you haven't purchased my mango sauce, guys, go on my website at www.imcookingandmore.com to get these delicious sauces.